Soft selection is another feature that 3D Studio Max has, and it's very common. I'm going to use a sphere for the example to show you what this does. And I'm going to create this sphere and then convert it to an editable poly, and then choose vertices or vertex. And I'm going to click on one of these points on the object. I'm going to go through, right click and hit G just to get rid of the grids. I'll hit F3 so you can see exactly what's going on here. With just this one vertice selected, if I move it, none of the other vertices are affected. It has a very sharp result, which is fine just depending on what kind of model you're going for. If you're building a mace or something like that, this would be fine. If you wanted a round, smooth result, you'd want some of these other vertices to be affected. You could go through and manually move some of those vertices until you achieve that smooth result, but that would take a really long time. And that's where this soft selection comes in handy. If you go to your modify menu and scroll down till you find soft selection, and then click use soft selection, you can see the difference now. If I zoom in, I'm going to hold Alt, hit W, you can see when I select a vertice now, the ones surrounding it are affected as well. This is red and then becomes like an orange, then to a yellow, and then to a teal, and then to a blue. And in graphic design, we know that these colors represent hot and cold, so I always see it that way. The ones that are hot, the red and the orange, are the ones that are more affected, and then it tapers off into the cold colors, which are less affected by the moving vertice. So if I go now and I move this, you can see that the ones near it also move, and you can attain a smoother result. You can also adjust some of these parameters here, fall off, pinch, and bubble, and you can attain the kind of result that you're looking for by tweaking these parameters. So if I scroll up on fall off, you can see that now more fall in the orange, more fall in the yellow and the teal. And so let's look and see what happens when I move the vertice now. See, even more vertices surrounding it are affected. And maybe we want less of these outside ones to be affected. Well, we could adjust the pinch, bring that up or down until we get the exact result that we're looking for.